Welcome back to American Vehicles. For over 100 years, cars have been loud, mechanical, and, let's be honest, slightly obsessed with explosions. Petrol in, noise out. That's the way many people like it. But today things are changing. The engines are getting quieter, the dashboards are getting bigger, and some of these cars don't even have a steering wheel anymore. Now, if you're a true petrol head, someone who loves the smell of fuel, the roar of an engine, and the feeling of shifting gears, this might already sound like a horror movie. No engine noise? No gears? No soul? Well, maybe. Or maybe this is just a different kind of machine. Let's look at 10 of the most interesting futuristic cars. The future of cars doesn't always announce itself with wild shapes or science fiction design. Sometimes it arrives quietly and changes everything. Meet the Lucid Air, a car that turns advanced engineering into everyday reality. The Lucid Air is an all-electric luxury sedan developed by the American manufacturer Lucid Motors, first introduced in 2016 and entering production in 2021. It is a real production vehicle, already on the market and competing in the high-end electric car segment. Beneath its refined exterior lies a powerful electric drivetrain. Depending on the version, the Lucid Air can produce over 1,000 horsepower, with some models exceeding that figure. This immense power allows the car to reach a top speed of around 270 kilometers per hour, placing it in the same performance category as many supercars. But performance is only part of the story. The Lucid Air is especially known for its exceptional efficiency and long driving range. Certain versions of the car can travel over 800 kilometers, or about 500 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest range electric vehicles currently available. This is achieved through advanced battery technology and a highly efficient drivetrain, both developed in-house by Lucid. Inside, the car focuses on comfort and technology. A large curved glass display dominates the dashboard, while the minimalist design creates a spacious, modern interior. The goal is not to overwhelm, but to refine the driving experience. Pricing varies depending on the model, with different versions positioned in the luxury segment, reflecting its high-end performance and technology. Perhaps the most impressive detail is its record-breaking efficiency and range, proving that the future of electric cars isn't just about speed, but about going further with less energy. The Lucid Air doesn't try to look like the future, it simply performs like it. The future of performance doesn't always come from louder engines. Sometimes it comes from silence and precision. Meet the Tesla Roadster, second generation, a car designed to push the limits of what electric vehicles can achieve. The second-generation Tesla Roadster is an all-electric sports car developed by the American company Tesla Inc. It was unveiled in 2017 as a successor to Tesla's original Roadster, with the goal of demonstrating the extreme performance potential of electric power. Despite being announced years ago, the car is not yet in production and has faced multiple delays. The Roadster is designed with a powerful electric drivetrain consisting of 3 electric motors, 1 at the front and 2 at the rear, providing all-wheel drive. Tesla has stated that this setup will enable extremely fast acceleration, with a claimed 0 to 100 km per hour time of around 2 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars ever proposed. In addition to acceleration, Tesla has also focused on range. The Roadster is expected to achieve a driving range of around 1,000 kilometers, or around 620 miles on a single charge, made possible by a large battery pack and efficient energy use. This combination of high performance and long range is unusual, even among modern electric vehicles. The design follows a sleek, low sports car profile, with a removable glass roof that allows it to function as a convertible. Inside, the car features a minimalist interior centered around a large touchscreen display. Pricing was announced at approximately $200,000 for the base model, with a higher-priced Founders Series version expected to cost around $250,000. Perhaps the most striking detail is Tesla's claim that the Roadster could become one of the quickest production cars ever made, challenging the limits of automotive performance. The future of performance isn't just about speed. It's about redefining what a high-performance car can be. Meet the Porsche Mission X, a bold version of an all-electric hypercar. The Porsche Mission X is a concept car developed by the German manufacturer Porsche. Unveiled in 2023, it represents Porsche's vision for the future of extreme performance. As a concept vehicle, it is not currently available on the market and has no confirmed production plans. At its core, the Mission X is designed as a fully electric hypercar. It features a high-performance electric drivetrain and is built around a lightweight structure to maximize speed and efficiency. One of its key engineering highlights is its 900-volt electrical architecture, which allows for significantly faster charging compared to many current electric vehicles. Porsche has also stated that if the Mission X enters production, it is intended to become the fastest road-legal vehicle around the Nürburgring Nordschleife, one of the most demanding racetracks in the world. This ambition reflects the company's focus on combining electric power with track-level performance. The design of the car is equally striking. It has a low, wide stance, advanced aerodynamics, and distinctive lighting elements. The car also features lightweight construction techniques and upward opening doors, reinforcing its identity as a next-generation hypercar. Inside, the cockpit is focused on the driver, blending racing-inspired elements with modern digital displays. The interior emphasizes control and performance rather than comfort. As a concept car, there is no official price. Perhaps the most interesting detail is its use of a 900-volt system, pushing charging technology beyond what is currently common in production vehicles. The Porsche Mission X doesn't just imagine an electric future. It aims to prove that electric cars can dominate the world of high-performance driving. The future of mobility may not be about driving at all, but about being driven. Meet the Volkswagen ID Vision, a car designed for a world where human drivers are no longer required. The Volkswagen ID Vision is a fully electric concept car developed by the German manufacturer Volkswagen. It was unveiled in 2018 as part of Volkswagen's ID series, showcasing a vision of fully autonomous transportation. As a concept vehicle, it is not available on the market. Unlike traditional cars, the ID Vision is designed without a steering wheel or pedals. Instead, it is intended to be controlled through voice commands and gesture-based inputs, representing a Level 5 autonomous driving concept where the vehicle can operate entirely on its own. The car is powered by an all-electric drivetrain, producing approximately 302 horsepower, delivering smooth and efficient performance. It is equipped with a large battery pack, allowing for a projected driving range between 480 and 640 kilometers, or about 300 to 400 miles on a single charge, depending on conditions. In terms of performance, the car is designed for comfortable and efficient travel rather than extreme speed, aligning with its purpose as an autonomous vehicle. The design reflects this philosophy. The exterior is sleek and modern, while the interior is spacious and lounge-like. Without traditional driving controls, the cabin becomes more like a living space, focused on comfort and interaction. The ID Vision also emphasizes connectivity and artificial intelligence, allowing the vehicle to adapt to user preferences and provide a personalized experience. As a concept vehicle, there is no official price. Perhaps the most striking detail is the complete removal of the steering wheel, marking a radical shift from more than a century of automotive design. The Volkswagen ID Vision doesn't just imagine the future of cars. It imagines a future where driving itself becomes optional. The future of cars isn't just built by car companies. Sometimes it comes from the world of technology. Meet the Sony Vision S, a vehicle that blends automotive engineering with digital innovation. The Sony Vision S is a prototype electric vehicle developed by the Japanese company Sony. First revealed in 2020, it marked Sony's entry into the automotive space, showcasing its expertise in sensors, entertainment, and connectivity. While the project has evolved into working prototypes, it is not widely available as a production car. The vehicle is powered by two electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, each producing around 200 kilowatts. This provides all-wheel drive and a combined output that enables strong performance. The top speed is listed at approximately 180 kilometers per hour, or about 112 miles per hour, depending on the version. A key focus of the Vision S is safety and sensing technology. The car is equipped with a wide range of sensors, including cameras, radar, and other systems designed to support advanced driver assistance and future autonomous driving capabilities. Inside, the Vision S emphasizes digital experience. A large panoramic display stretches across the dashboard, offering infotainment and vehicle controls in a seamless interface. Sony also integrates its expertise in audio, creating an immersive sound experience for passengers. The car is designed to support over-the-air updates, allowing its systems to improve over time, similar to modern consumer electronics. As a prototype vehicle, there is no official price, and its future as a production model remains uncertain. Perhaps the most interesting detail is that a company best known for electronics successfully developed a fully functional electric car, highlighting how the boundaries between technology and automotive industries are beginning to merge. Sony Vision S doesn't just represent a new kind of car, it represents a new kind of company entering the world of mobility. The future of cars may not just be about how they drive, but how they're made. Meet the BMW iVision Circular, a vehicle designed to rethink the entire life cycle of an automobile. The BMW iVision Circular is a concept car developed by the German manufacturer BMW. Unveiled in 2021, it was created as a vision for sustainable mobility in the year 2040. As a concept vehicle, it is not available on the market. What sets this car apart is its focus on circular design. The iVision Circular is built using materials that are either recycled or renewable, and it is designed to be fully recyclable at the end of its life. This approach aims to minimize waste and reduce the environmental impact of both production and disposal. The car is fully electric and incorporates a solid-state battery, which represents a potential future advancement over current battery technologies. While specific performance figures such as horsepower and top speed are not provided, the emphasis is placed on efficiency and sustainability rather than outright performance. The design reflects this philosophy. The exterior is compact and minimalist, with clean lines and a modern appearance. Traditional materials like chrome and leather are replaced with more sustainable alternatives, reinforcing the vehicle's environmental focus. Inside, the cabin continues this theme with a simple, open layout. The interior uses fewer components and emphasizes materials that can be reused or recycled. Digital elements are integrated in a subtle way, maintaining a balance between technology and simplicity. As a concept vehicle, there is no official price. Perhaps the most interesting detail is that the car is designed to be made from 100% recycled materials and to be fully recyclable, demonstrating a complete shift in how cars can be produced in the future. The BMW iVision Circular doesn't just imagine cleaner driving, it imagines a world where cars leave no lasting footprint behind. The future of efficiency isn't always visible, but sometimes it changes everything. Meet the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX, a car designed to go further than almost anything else on the road. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX is a concept electric vehicle developed by the German manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. Unveiled in 2022, it serves as a technology demonstrator, showcasing advancements that could influence future production vehicles. As a concept, it is not available on the market. At its core, the Vision EQXX is built for extreme efficiency. It is powered by a compact electric motor producing around 150 kilowatts, paired with a highly efficient drivetrain designed to minimize energy loss. Rather than focusing on maximum speed, the car is engineered to travel as far as possible, using as little energy as possible. One of the most significant engineering achievements is its ability to exceed 1,000 kilometers, or about 620 miles on a single charge, under real-world driving conditions. This is made possible through a combination of advanced battery technology, lightweight construction, and an exceptionally aerodynamic design. Aerodynamics play a crucial role. The car has a very low drag coefficient, helping it move through the air with minimal resistance. Additional features, such as optimized wheels and solar panels on the roof, further improve overall efficiency. Inside, the Vision EQXX features a large, seamless digital display that spans the width of the dashboard, combined with sustainable materials and a clean, modern layout. As a concept vehicle, there is no official price. Perhaps the most impressive detail is its real-world range of over 1,000 kilometers, demonstrating how far electric vehicles can go when efficiency becomes the top priority. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX doesn't try to be the fastest. It proves that the future of mobility is about going further with less. The future of design doesn't always come from imagination. Sometimes it comes from nature itself. Meet the Mercedes-Benz Bionic, a vehicle shaped by evolution. The Mercedes-Benz Bionic is a concept car developed by the German manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. Introduced in 2005, it was created using biomimicry, meaning its design was inspired by a natural organism. In this case, the shape of the car is based on the boxfish, a species known for its unique and aerodynamic body. The vehicle was never intended for production and is not available on the market. Unlike most futuristic concepts today, the Bionic is powered by a conventional internal combustion engine. It uses a 1.9-liter turbocharged diesel engine producing around 103 kilowatts. While not focused on extreme performance, the car can reach a top speed of approximately 190 kilometers per hour, which translates to 118 miles per hour. What makes the Bionic remarkable is its efficiency. The unusual shape, inspired by the boxfish, results in a very low drag coefficient, allowing the car to move through the air more efficiently. This reduces fuel consumption and emissions compared to many vehicles of its time. The car also benefits from lightweight construction, further improving efficiency by reducing the amount of energy needed to move the vehicle. Inside, the design is more conventional, focusing on practicality rather than futuristic styling. The emphasis of the project was on engineering and efficiency rather than interior innovation. As a concept car, there is no official price. Perhaps the most fascinating detail is that Mercedes-Benz used a fish as the blueprint for a car, demonstrating how solutions found in nature can influence advanced engineering. The Mercedes-Benz Bionic may look unusual, but it shows that the future of cars might already exist in the natural world. The future of cars doesn't always stay in one form. Sometimes it adapts. Meet the Audi Skysphere, a vehicle designed to change depending on how you want to drive. The Audi Skysphere is a concept car developed by the German manufacturer Audi. Unveiled in 2021, it represents a vision of flexible mobility, where one car can serve multiple purposes. As a concept vehicle, it is not available on the market. At its core, the Skysphere is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. A rear-mounted electric motor produces around 465 kilowatts and 750 newton-meters of torque, delivering strong performance. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, or 0 to 62 miles per hour in approximately 4 seconds, demonstrating its capability as a high-performance vehicle. The Skysphere is equipped with a battery that provides a driving range of around 500 kilometers or around 310 miles, making it suitable for longer journeys as well as performance driving. What truly sets this car apart is its variable wheelbase. The vehicle can physically change its length, extending from approximately 4.94 meters to 5.19 meters. In its shorter configuration, it becomes a sporty roadster, focused on driving dynamics. In its extended form, it transforms into a grand touring vehicle designed for comfort and autonomous travel. The car is also designed with advanced autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to take over driving tasks in certain situations. Inside, the cabin is minimalist and futuristic, featuring large digital displays and high-end materials. The design focuses on flexibility, allowing the interior to adapt along with the car's driving mode. As a concept car, there is no official price. Perhaps the most fascinating detail is its ability to physically change its size, blurring the line between two completely different types of vehicles in a single design. The future of cars doesn't just evolve. Sometimes it feels alive. Meet the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR, a machine designed to blur the line between technology, nature, and human interaction. The Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR is a concept vehicle developed by the German manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. Unveiled in 2020 at CES, the car was inspired by the world of Avatar and created in collaboration with the film's creative team. It is not a production vehicle and is not available on the market. At its core, the Vision AVTR is fully electric, powered by 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, producing a combined output of over 350 kilowatts. This setup allows for advanced all-wheel drive and highly precise torque distribution. The vehicle is equipped with a 110 kilowatt battery, enabling a driving range of around 700 kilometers. This translates to about 435 miles. What truly sets the AVTR apart, however, is its revolutionary battery technology. Instead of using conventional lithium-ion cells, it uses a graphene-based organic battery that is free of rare earth metals and fully recyclable, even potentially compostable. The engineering goes even further. Thanks to its advanced wheel design, the car can move sideways in a crab-like motion by up to 30 degrees, allowing it to maneuver in ways traditional cars cannot. Visually, the car looks almost alive. It features 33 movable bionic flaps that respond to the environment and communicate with the outside world through subtle movements. Inside, the Vision AVTR removes the traditional steering wheel entirely. Instead, it is controlled through a central interface that responds to touch and even interacts with the driver's breathing and heartbeat, creating a direct connection between human and machine. As a concept car, there is no official price, and its technologies remain experimental. Perhaps the most fascinating detail is its organic battery, suggesting a future where cars are not only high-tech, but fully integrated with the natural world. The Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR doesn't just imagine the future of mobility, it imagines a world where cars become part of life itself. So, what do you think? Is this the future of driving, or the end of everything that made cars exciting in the first place? For some, these machines are incredible, fast, efficient, and packed with technology. For others, they're missing something important. No engine roar, no vibrations, no drama. And maybe that's the real question. Are cars supposed to be machines or experiences? Because if you ask a petrolhead, the answer is simple. If it doesn't make noise, it's probably just a very fast appliance. But one thing is certain, whether you love them or hate them. Thanks for watching.